Greetings to everyone. I'm Kishore Kumar, V from 2nd BSc CS DevOps and Cloud. In this video, we are talking about the descriptive statistics and its types. Descriptive statistics has two types, scale types and univariate analysis. A comprehensive guide to understand measure scales and exploring single variable data patterns. What is descriptive statistics? Descriptive statistics are mathematical techniques that summarize and describe the essential features of datasets. They transfer raw data into meaningful information without making prediction beyond what happened observed. Key purposes: organize data, identify patterns, reveal central tendencies, and communication find clarity to stakeholders. Example: calculating the average height of a student in classroom, providing a single and meaningful number representing the entire group. Types of variables and scales of measurement. Variables are characteristics or attributes that can take different value across observations. Understanding measuring scales is crucial for selecting appropriate statistic methods. Nominal category with no inherent order. Example: gender, blood group. Ordinary order to categorize without equal intervals. Example: educational level. Interval equal intervals, no true zeros. Example: temperature. Ratio equal intervals with two true zeros. Example: weight and height. Nominal scale explained. The nominal scale represents the most basic level of measurement, where data are organized into mutually exclusive categories without any inherent order or ranking. Key characteristics. Categories are different and non-overlapping. Mathematical operations possible. Only mode can calculate as central tendency. Used purely for classification and labeling. Example: blood type, gender, eye color, marital status. Ordinal scale explained. Ordinal scale provides meaningful order to categorize, but the intervals between the value are unknown or unequal. This allows for ranking but not precise measure of difference. 1. Ranking possible. Categories can be arranged from lowest to highest. Unequal intervals. Distance between ranks is not necessarily consistent. Common example: satisfaction rating, education levels, and socioeconomic status. Interval and ratio scales explained. Interval scales. Future ordered categories with equal intervals between values, but lack as a true 0 point. This means ratio are meaningless. Example: temperature in Celsius. 0 doesn't mean no temperature, and 40 is not twice hot as a 20 degrees Celsius. Ratio scale. The highest level of measure with equal intervals and are true 0 points. All arithmetic operations are valid, include ratios. Example: weight. 0 kg means no weight, and 40 kg is genuinely twice heavy as 20 kg. What is univariate analysis? Univariate analysis examines one variable at a time to understand its distribution, central tendency, and variability. It is fundamentally a step in exploring data analysis before investigation relationship between variables. Single variable focus analysis one characteristic independently without consideration relationship. Descriptive purpose summarize patterns and frequency and spread of data. Example application: analyze age of student participants, distribution, average, and range. Key descriptive measures in univariate analysis: central tendency, mean average value, median middle value, most frequent. Variability, range maximum to minimum. Variance, average square deviation, standard deviation, square root of variation. Distribution shape, sweetness, asymmetrically direction. Tail heaviness describes the data connections. Example of univariate analysis of student scores. Let's analyze a data set of 10 student test scores to demonstrate the descriptive measures in actions. Raw data scores 55, 60, 65, 70, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95. Central tendency. Mean 74.5, sum divided into count. Median 72.5, middle value. Mode 70, most frequent. Variability range 40 to 40, 95 to 55. Standard deviation so spread around mean. Summaries and takeaways. Simplifying complexity. Descriptive statistics transform raw data into understandable summaries. Choose correct scale. Understanding measures scales guide up appropriate analyze methods. Start with univariate. Single variable analysis is the essential first step for data exploration. Visual findings. Use histograms, box plots, and charts to communicate instinct effectively. Hope we are all understand the concepts. Thanking you.